we get a big one here. Welcome to BrickBringer. Today we will try to renovate some sets which are hidden in this 10 kilo Lego box which I have bought from eBay. Now I will just open it and we will see what's inside. Okay, what do we have here? Let's take a closer look. Okay, so we have some card sets here from cartoon. I have this thing, whatever it is, maybe also from card sets, I don't know. I see some package thing, but I'm not sure if that's Lego. Now we switch to the sorting, the main event of this video. I have this plastic Haribo bin and I will use it to take some of the Legos out of this box. Like that, yeah, maybe some more, yeah, and a bit more, yep, perfect. And we'll take it back to our table and just drop everything on it. Yep, just like that. So basically we'll sort everything pile by pile. We have a skeleton motorbike from Ninjago. We have this snake head that's also from a Ninjago set, but another one. A pencil. We have a burglar minifigure. Yeah, nothing interesting. But also we have a... And here we have a drippy Luke Skywalker. Yeah. Also we have a staircase, which is... We have this really cool looking sword, but sadly it's not a Lego piece. Yep. I think that's a Playmobil. And we have also this thing, which sadly isn't Lego either. We have... whatever that is. Looks fun. We have this plastic bag and, as I thought, that's not Lego. Also we have this pickup guy from Cars movie, I forgot its name. We have this tree stump from Ninjago set, we have this snake motorcycle or something. We have slammer thing, there's it is. We got a right wing from Star Wars set. And also this, I think that's also Star Wars, and we can do this. And we can walkie-talkie. Okay, next one. We got a Ninjago flying spinner. I forgot how it's called. A yellow Lego cup or something, I don't know, but it looks comfortable for you. Okay, next one. We've got this really fancy piece, which is quite big, whatever. Next one. We've got another Star Wars part. We've got this cylinder. I think that's from Lego City set, and we've got something inside. Yay! Lego parts! Okay, close it back. And this part is from the set SG4201. We've got this fancy looking door piece. We have this recycle sign. I think that's from Lego City. We have this thing. Maybe it's from Ninja Turtles. Got a rubber band. Why not? Okay, let's focus the video. Nice. Another big blue piece. This little car, this bullet run. You've got a dwarf minifigure, sadly that's not Lego. I found this thing again, this card blueprints. Another Ninjago motorbike piece. Another Star Wars wing piece. And you've got this guy. And we can dance. Yeah, I really like this bionicle type of sets. We have another motion figure. It looks a bit unfinished. We can do some boxing with it, like that. Okay. Another pencil, nice. Another car, but now from Lego Technic. And that's a piece from Ninjago set called Ton Ton Ton. And we've got another minifigure. I don't think that it's from Star Wars, so I will remove the helmet from the mummy and leave it in peace. After all big things were sorted out, we can finally focus on small and medium-sized Lego parts. Now we will sort only the minifigures and interesting items. And here goes the second pile. I will change the angle a little bit, just like that. Yep. Nice. Okay, so we've got a taxi car here. Okay, interesting. A tractor. That's not Lego, but looks quite good. We've got a brownstone. And that's a train wheel. Okay, maybe we've got a train here, that would be really nice. That's a piece from some kind of Lego City set. A really cool looking golden cap here. Okay, looks nice. Another bowl. Oh yo, we've got a Stormtrooper mini figure. Okay, that means that we have Star Wars table game here. A Star Wars drone minifigure. A crystal. I always like shiny things. Eggs, but that's not Lego eggs. We've got money. I think that's a tile with a radar print, maybe from some old Lego set. And here is another printed tile with a map. And that's it for this pile, and now it will go into the blue box. Just like that. Yep, and everything is clean, and now we're moving to the another pile, pile number 3. What do we have here? Our first Star Wars minifig. We've got a dinosaur minifigure, but something is wrong with it. It's looking... yeah. That's fake Lego. We've got a Ninjago spinner. We've got an Islander's boat. Okay. A white crayon. Crime Pen 9000. Okay. Is it working? Let's see. I don't think that it does nothing. I don't think that's working. And here is another thing. I'm not sure what it's made for, but it can become long, very long, and snap back. Maybe it's for keys, I don't know. And we've got another bag with minifigure, but as you can see, that's not Lego. A table game cube, nice. A pirate. Another sword from Playmobil. Oh! And we have got a scorpion minifigure, nice. And before we get to the pile number 4, I found this thing, and if you have trypophobia or something, don't look, okay? Pile 4. Check. Okay. What have we got here? A white pony, which sadly is not a Lego minifigure. And here's our first really cool looking figure. I really like how it looks. Another bowl. Ninjago red mask. A Ninjago time dagger. I really like how it looks. And another minifigure. A school, which can spin around. A magnet. Nice. I don't need it, however. Another school. And yeah, that's it for pile number 4. Also, I have found this green trash can. A crocodile minifigure, which looks really nice, but it sadly doesn't have his tail. But still, it can shake it. Another Ninjago motorbike, which is not a Lego. And pile number 5. We've got this thing, which is not Lego either. Another bandit minifigure. $100 bill. A gecko, which isn't Lego. A face of the clown. Some part from Lego City set. Another minifigure. Nice. Darth Vader minifigure. Nice. Green dice made out of rubber? Huh? A Lego City minifig, one more $100, and that's it for pile number 5. Not many interesting stuff, but let's see what we get in pile 6. Some small plastic bag with Lego parts, another sink, a Ronan minifigure, white bowl, pineapples, suspicious purple figure, broken Star Wars drone, some mixed Ninjago minifigure, a goose, owl minifigure, okay, white kitty, which was the last interesting thing in this pile. Now we're moving to the next one. What do we have here? Another Star Wars part, Stormtrooper minifig, random knight with a sword, Lego piece with eyes, 10 bill, a tile with 3-star sticker, and it is Lego. Maybe we have a western set here. Okay. Stormtrooper minifig, Lego City minifig, an actual Lego egg. Okay, and yeah, that was all interesting stuff in this pile. Now moving to the next one. And here goes the next pile. What do we have here? We have an ambulance car, Lego City minifig, Fire Snake minifig, which isn't Lego sadly, and outdated candy, which isn't looking really good, but yeah, nice. Ninjago minifig, a Cole minifigure, which looks a bit fake. Let me check it, whether it's a real Lego or not. And yes, it is real. Another minifigure, a Lloyd inside of the capsule, Lego shark, a piece from the train set, some Playmobil stuff, another minifigure, some droid piece, and that's it for this pile. Moving to the next one. And right from the beginning we have another fake Lego plastic bag, which goes straight into the trash can. Some mountain thing, maybe from Islanders. Ninja minifigure, Kai from Ninjago, some kind of flag with a crocodile. Two minifigures, a skeleton figure, and that's it for this pile. We have another politician minifigure with a bike, a green bowl with a face print, a brown boat, another minifigure, another cool minifig, some Avengers thing, and here we have a golden necklace, which is not Lego sadly, but I already know to whom it belongs. Big Boss. Police set sticker sheet, another interesting Lego piece, black spinner with skulls, a plate from fake dinosaur, another bowl, AT-AT with two minifigures. Let's take them out. A brown doggy, minifigure, ape without hands, mini pilot, and end of this pile. An almost complete green car, another minifig, a jellyfish, maybe it's from SpongeBob, some interesting stuff, two more minifigs, some Lego City parts, a Viking, a Savage Operas minifigure from a Star Wars set, a black Scorpio, woo! Another unique looking Lego piece, and yeah. That's the end for this pile too. Pile number next. A brown car from the Cars movie, nice. A really big windshield, like really big. Wow, we've got a black monkey. Islander shield, 2 mini minifigures, Lego train piece, a disturbing toy head, another minifig, another mini minifig, another piece from Cars movie, a black compass which is actually working, I guess. Yeah, and the compass was the last thing we have found in this pile. Moving to the next one. And here goes another pile. I already see some interesting stuff here. We have another Lloyd minifigure which looks a bit suspicious, so let me check it. And yeah, that's not Lego. And that's not Lego either, so yeah, goes into the trash bin. A brown bike from Star Wars. Some Lego City set piece. Another mixed minifigure. Another piece from Star Wars bike. Put it together. A capsule. And that's another Lego City minifig. Yeah. 2 more mini minifigs. Fire emblem. And another pile is sorted out. Moving to another one. And here it is. A blue ninja from Ninjago's first season, but I think that it has the wrong headpiece. We need to change it. Then minifigure, white ninja who also has the wrong headpiece. A red cylinder which has something inside, and that's some paper strings. I don't know what it is, so share your ideas in the comments. A golden ninja which is clearly fake, a red time dagger, another Cars movie piece, pizza, popcorn, and another pile. Another table game cube with some Star Wars signs, an Octon energy cylinder, another mixed minifigure, an Islander's torso, baguette, Ojemro, a mini minifigure, another mini minifigure, another interesting Lego piece. And one more pile. And I already see another part from the Star Wars ship. Some piece with a sticker. Another piece with a card posters. One more part from a Star Wars. Ninjago Bandit. Red Ninja. Ninjago Bandit. Mini Boba Fett. Another mini minifigure and torso. A croissant. Let's clean our hands from the dust and move to the next pile. Something with an electricity sticker, a red map, 2 more mini minifigs, another pair of mini minifigs, a piece from Dino set, a green time dagger, mini pilot, mini stormtrooper, and he was the last interesting thing in this big Lego box. And now I will look through everything once again and try to build all the minifigures to their original state. So, as you can see, we don't have much cool stuff here, sadly, and unfortunately this box was full of incomplete Lego sets, so we have like only 20 or 25% of each set, so I won't be able to renovate them, sadly. And yeah, but at least we've got some really cool parts which I will use. So yeah, now I will go and hunt for another Lego box. See you in the next video. Bye bye!